Guys, this is Yogesh Sharma and my channel is yogesh.net.com. Here I am going to describe that what is a static variable in Java. I will also take an example to keep things clear. Okay, so let's start that what is the static variable. If you declare any variable as a static, it is known as static variable. It means that the access modifier, or you can say the modifier, we have to use static as a keyword before the variable name or the method name. If you declare a static method, in a static method can be used to use static class variables. Okay, the static variables can be used to refer the common property of all object that is not unique for each object: company name of employee, college name of a student, etc. It means that if you declare a class and you define many object of that class, and each and every object can access that static variable commonly, and actually static variable create a static memory. It means that for all objects, the no static variable or no any variable memory will be created. Only the same memory will be used by the all objects. So the static variables gets memory only once and class area at the time of class loading. And the main benefit of to use the static variable, as we know that it is a proper way to utilize your memory of main memory of the system, and you can also call the static member variable through the class. So here we go, let's take a simple example where I will take the static variable and we will understand. So just create a new Java project, not Java project. I'm just going to create a new static or new simple class. This is my class and the class name is EMP. It is my class name. Okay, so I just created the EMP class. Now I want to take the non-static variable first. After that I will take the static variable. So here I am taking integer EMP ID. So EMP ID it is a non-static variable, or you can say it's an instance variable, and I'm taking another variable, that is the public. Public is a static access modifier, and after that string and EMP name. This is my another variable. Now I'm going to take a static variable. So to use the static variable, we have to put the static keyword before the variable name, and the static variable name is the DEPT name. This is my static variable. So I want to initialize it with some value, like for example I am just initializing it with the IT. And now let's see that how we can access this static variable directly from our main class. So I am taking public static and void main string args. Okay, so it is my main method, and here I am going to create the object of my EMP class. EMP obj1 equals to new obj1. This is my object of the EMP class. Now I want to set the member variable value of static member variable or non-static member variable. For example, EMP ID, it's a non-static variable. Not I will call it by through the obj1 dot EMP ID. Here I am passing 1, and I want to initialize another member variable using the object of the class, that is EMP name, and here I am passing EMP name is yogesh.net. This is the EMP name. Okay, so another way to now I want to call the department name, or as we know that it is a static member variable. So how we can define it? Let me print this on the console, that is print ln, and here I am going to call the department name, which is a static variable. So as I told you that the static member variable can be used directly by the class name, so I am taking here the department name. So in this way I have created a simple object, and I have to write here EMP. This is my class name. So I am going to create another object of the EMP class. Here I am taking object 2, passing the variables. Here I am taking 2 obj2, and this is the Sharma, and here I am taking the department name. So let me execute this program and see the output. What output we are getting over here? Exception in main Java, error involved compilation problem. Okay, so something is going wrong over here. invalid, oh sorry, I have to take double quotes, again execute and see output. We are getting IT and IT. It means that department name can be accessed by each and every object of the class. Now I am taking another example of a static. Just take me static integer counter. This is a simple variable where I am initializing it by the 0. Now I want to increase the value of this counter. How we can do this? Just take increment operator and pass emp dot. As we know, counter is a static variable, so it means that we can call it by through the class name directly. So here I increase the value of counter. Now if you want to show the counter value, you can show it over here. For example, I'm just taking it into the string variable department name equals to plus, and after it counter value is double quotes plus emp dot counter. So this is the way by which we can increment the counter value. Now please write this code over here. Again, here I am taking emp counter. I am also increasing the value of emp counter. How we can do this? Just take the pre-increment operator emp dot, and after that I am passing here counter. So what output we should have, like it's initializing by the 0. Here I am increment the value of the static variable, so here it will become 1, and after that it will become 2. Now let me execute program again and see the output. Here we go. You can see here that I am getting the department name IT and counter name is 1, but here I am taking the counter value is equal to 2. If I take it here as a non-static variable, in that condition the object the new member variable of memory will be created by the system, and the counter value will not be increased. So thanks for watching this video. As I told you, please subscribe my channel. I will upload various videos based on IT and IT related fields, and also implement some interview questions. So thank you very much.